we have seen data tabulation. So now let's get back to the organizing data. Now the fourth way of organizing data is data visualization. So data visualization involves creating visual representations of data such as charts, graphs, and plots to organize data in a visually appealing and informative way. So this can be achieved using libraries such as Matplotlib or Seaborn in Python. So if you check, we have lot of different types of visualizations such as pie chart, bar graph, stacked bar graph, line graph, and etc. So and if you look into the each uh, visualization of bar graph or charts or plots, everything is at the end of the day to organize data in a visually appealing and informative way. So that is the reason data visualization I have put it into the organizing data. So if you want to learn more about visualizations or different types of plots or graphs, I would like you to recommend intuitive plots for you course from Imlike YouTube channel. So that's my YouTube channel. You just get into that course and you can learn each and every plot from there. Okay, but for now, let's take one example. Just let's take one a simple bar graph to understand about the visualization. So this is also part of organizing data. So data visualizations. So let's import Matplotlib. From this, we'll be importing pyplot, and we will import the pyplot as an PLT. Then we will import Seaborn as SNS. So now let's take an example. Let's take an example of creating a bar chart of categorical data using Matplotlib. So let's begin with the fruits. Fruits is equal to a sequence of strings. Let's begin with apple and banana. Then we have cherry. Then we have dates or date. Then finally fig. So now a fruit count, how many fruits we have with us. So fruit counts are again a sequence of int objects, 20, banana 20, and then cherry 8, and then date 15, and finally fig 10. That's it. We have the fruits and fruit count. Now it's time to create a bar chart. So for that we're going to use PLT module plot, and out of that I'm going to use a bar method. So PLT bar method, and then fruits is on x-axis and fruit count is on my y-axis. And if you want to see, this is your picture, but it does not have any X label. There is no X label, there is no Y label, there is no title. So that's the reason, and it's also showing the number of artists that we are using. So to remove all those things and add new things, we need to use more methods from PLT module. So PLT, let's go with the X label first. So X label, I'm gonna give fruit, and Y label is the count. Y label is count, and PLT dot title. Title is fruit count. Fruit counts. And finally, let's show this. and here is your PLT. Here is your plot ready. So fruit counts on x-axis, you have the categories, that's apple, banana, cherry, date, fig. And on y-axis, you have the count of the fruits, how many fruits you have. So that's how you can organize your data with visuals. So that's how your data can be visually appealing as well as informative.